I've always been curious, not just about why life works, but how. DNA, the blueprint of life, faces thousands of damages every day, yet repair is fast and accurate. How does this happen? A question we've been exploring in the lab is about homology search, how a broken piece of DNA finds an exact match inside the cell. We've developed live cell imaging-based technologies to probe this process inside living cells. Using this, we've uncovered molecular motors that power search. We've solved a mystery that has remained unsolved for decades. Our work has also showed that dormant cells can mutate, reshaping our ideas of how antibiotic resistance can emerge. We've also revealed how mitochondria clear DNA damage to keep cells resilient. Genomes are not rigid, they're plastic, capable of change. Understanding this plasticity has profound implications for evolution, aging, disease, and the emergence of antibiotic resistance. Now we are asking, what is the journey DNA takes as it goes from one organism to another? How does something foreign become part of you? That is where we are going next.